Hey everyone, my name's Darren Capp. Come and join me for my presentation, Advertising Car Photography, Capturing Wow, 3rd of July. It's going to be great fun. I'm going to run you through some recent images of mine, and then I'm going to take out a couple of those images and we're going to really break them down. We're going to look at things like the location, the reason that location was chosen, the angle on the location, the car's position within the location, the car's angle, the lens, the camera, the lighting of the car. We'll look at the talent, the positioning of the talent, the lighting of the talent, the lighting of the background, the dressing of the background. All those aspects are going to be shown to you guys so that you can see the way an advertising car shoot works. It's going to be great fun. I recently did a shoot in India for Chevy Beat. 22 shots over 5 days, crazy schedule, massive number of shots within that job, but it was great fun, and I'm going to run you through some of that so that you guys can get an understanding of what a big car shoot is all about, all the aspects to it. It's going to be great fun. You're going to learn so much. Come and join me, 3rd of July, Capturing Wow, Advertising Car Photography. Can't wait to see you there. Bye for now.